Hello everyone. Finally, good evening to everyone, and thank you so much for your
Maximum
love,
volume.
for your support, and for your guidance. Love for your support and for your guidance. Uh, After a very long time, it took us a lot of time. Finally, we came on to a conclusion that मैं live आता हूँ for all of you. You have always been with me. Your blessings, your support has always been with me in this life, and I really thank you so much from the depth of my heart. अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so before we begin, just a frank opinion. I got almost 13,000 questions from all of you. I cannot answer the all 13,000, but yes, I have narrowed down a couple of questions जिनको मैं आपके साथ we'll discuss. I'll let you know your questions, main questions, so that you're also aware and you are happy with the answers you were looking for. So basically, out of all the questions I've divided, I will be answering these questions in 3 different phases. Initially, we will begin with motivation and youth guidance. So a couple of you have asked me who is my role model. Well, role model for me, I don't have any one role model. Single role model से मेरा अब तक काम चला नहीं है. So I have multiple role models in different genres, different activities, different spheres of life. जैसे you all are aware of our favorite, our very close, the best Nepali mountaineer named Sai, whom we lost. He was my role model, and I am very much impressed. I liked his grit, his determination, his motivation and the hard work he have done to achieve his goals. That was really very appreciating, gave me a motivation. Also, in the field of football, as you can say, David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, all these are just superb role models for me. So I have different role models in different spheres of the world. Yep. Next question is, what keeps me going every day? So my dreams keep me going. The dreams I've always dreamt of, I want to achieve those dreams, and the motivation to reach and get that success has always kept me going through my ups and downs in my life. Some of you have asked me this question, that I should advise young youth or defense aspirants. Well, it's good to know that people are volunteering, opting for the defense services, the uniformed forces, I would say, the entire country. And I would just recommend all of you to do not give up. If you have thought of something, prepare for the one final day when you'll give that exam. You have full confidence when you go for the interviews or the services selection board, SSBs. You are fully prepared and you don't have to think कि मुझे नहीं आता या मैं nervous हो गया हूँ. All the best to you guys. Since a lot of requests on this particular aspect was there, so मैंने decide किया कि maybe I'll think over it and we can come back with a small live sessions where I can actually tell specific points for the young budding aspirants, people not only in the defense forces but also in the corporate world. They face a lot of stress. They also need a lot of motivation. So I can share my views. हम लोग उस पे plan कर सकते हैं maybe in the near future for all of you. Yeah, next question जो मुझसे पूछा गया था, it was how do I keep myself motivated? जैसे मैंने बताया, like I just mentioned to you that the dreams and the desire to achieve those dreams has always kept me motivated. मेरी life में, yes, there have been numerous times जहाँ पे I felt like giving up, but giving up was not easy. It was not my choice. I always thought कि आज नहीं, कल. tomorrow I will give up, but not today. And that is how I kept myself motivated and went through the entire process. Let's come down to the second phase of my army journey and my career. So इसमें सबसे पहला and the first question, the most favorite of all of you, is why did I join army? Well, or who motivated me to join army? As a child, I've always studied in army public school, and since my childhood, I've always been surrounded with the people in uniform. I always loved them. I always appreciated their work, and I loved the atmosphere they always produced around me. That was the one and the main reason that I thought one day I will join the Indian Armed Forces. Although I wanted to be an Air Force pilot, but as luck would say, it was God's plan. I am in the army. I'm not flying the engines, but I'm still flying with the parachute in the air. Next, let's go to the next question. Was one lesson from from my military career that everyone should learn? I would say do not give up is what I've learned from my entire service. 3 years in India, 1 year in